So question 20, we've got to match the graphs to the letters that have been drawn. So slightly out of shot you can see the equations. So I'll start with y equals 4 sine x. Now sine x will be a wave type graph, so it's going to be either b or e. But sine x does go through 0, 0. So the only one that could be y equals 4 sine x would be this one, would be e. And then that would be 4 there and minus 4 there. Can't be the other one because at 0 this is not at 0. So we start off with y equals 4 sine x is graph E. So I write that in there. Now the only other wave graph is the cos x, and because we've already worked out that the sine graph is E, then the only other possibility is B for y equals 4 cos x. So you can see I put the B there. Next we're looking for a quadratic that goes through plus 5. So it goes through plus 5. So a quadratic is a U shape. This could be plus 5. We know it's not this one or that one. And none of the other graphs. Well, there's the possibility of this one, but I'm going to discount that at this level and say that the U shape here is what we're looking for. So we're going to do that. I'm going to have to put that in now and take a phone call. Hello? Hello? So we'll come back to the next one we're looking for. We're looking for y equals, I'll bring it up to you, we're looking for y equals 4 times, let's see if I get this to focus, 4 times 2 to the x. Now if you know about the shape of 4 times 2 to the x, it will rise like this. So it's having that knowledge really of that graph that will get you that answer, knowing that an exponential graph is always positive, and therefore it's C. I'm going to do the last one, y equals 4 over x. We know that y equals 4 over x is like the 1 over x graph. We should know that that graph is like that. The only possibility there is A, so, and that will go here. So that really leaves the last one, D, as our x cubed graph. And x cubed graphs are that kind of shape. That fits with what we have. So there we have our 3 marks for question 20.